The Pfaff sewing machines have throat plates that are both in metric and inches, and on the Creative 1.5 sewing machine, you do have the 1/4 inch mark actually on the door of the bobbin case, so don't lose your door, and you will always have an extra 1/4 inch mark right there to follow. You also have a seam guide, which on this doesn't always come with machines, so I was happy to see this included with this model. And this is allowing you, so yes, you can go ahead and follow your lines, but if you've ever seen where we've done parallel rows of stitching or rows of decorative stitching, you don't have to mark every single line you're going to stitch. Use the seam guide. Now the seam guide is going to go into the back here. You're going to need to loosen the screw kind of at the top part of the ankle. Loosen it enough until this will go in. Set it for the distance between the needle and the seam guide for how far away you want each line to be, or even if you're just sewing a hem, that's a great way to keep everything nice and straight. Press that in and go. Also, for somebody who is new to sewing, a youngster you're sewing with, you could even set this right up next to the presser foot for a little bit of guidance in helping them stay nice and straight. So when you're sewing, this time you're just going to watch the fabric and the guide, and here we'll do one line. Use the thread snips, love those. Then if you need to sew another line parallel to it, you're going to just move your seam guide to be right on top of the line you just stitched. Now again, don't watch your foot, watch the guide, and now you can have perfectly parallel lines every single time.